Neighbor, how's the winter?
Nice and cold.
Nice and cold, just like you like it.
Oh yeah, I like it. Great.
Hello. Yeah, this is the neighbors waking up to the snow. So it's a beautiful November month, November 28th, and the snow has hit us very, very hard. So neighbor, enjoy your day. All right, bye. Good morning, and welcome once again to another episode of Presenting Canada to the World. And there is no better way to present Canada without the snowfall. And today is a beautiful November month, and precisely is November 28th. And let's take a tour through the neighborhood. I woke up this morning and this is what I saw. The first snow in 2021, and definitely it came very, very, very heavy. I myself have not changed my winter tires, so it's gonna be a bit difficult running through this snow. But that's not really the topic for today. Let's talk about the snow day in Canada. And this is one of those unique moments when individuals come together and really enjoy the snowfall. The snow usually comes in the month of December, but from time to time, usually it will drop in November month. And this is a typical example of snow in Canada in a typical neighborhood. It's a Sunday morning, and you can see that the neighborhood is very, very, very quiet. And also you could see some Christmas decoration in front of me. And as you can see, the road is full of snow, but I can guarantee you that within an hour or so, all the snows will be cleared. Let's take a neighborhood tour as we speak right now. The snow is one of those unique adventures of Canada, and specifically for those individuals who have not lived in Canada before. Usually they come forward and they're looking towards this snow to fall, and when you touch it, it looks like it flakes. There are several activities going on around Ontario, Canada. If you go to downtown Toronto, specifically Eaton Centre, Square One also, there's all this bunch of displays where individuals, the kids and families, they can actually enjoy their time, taking photos with Santa Claus, taking photos with their loved ones. So this is a typical snow day, and Canadians, we actually embrace this. When the snow comes in, the children of all ages wear their boots, their hats, they wear their gloves, and all kinds of amenities just to keep them very, 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 very warm. So the snow, me myself actually prefer the snow over the summer. It might sound crazy, but when it comes to summer, you sweat quite a bit. But with the snow, you get an extra sleep in, and definitely you get to enjoy an additional minute, additional hour of sleep because of the time change. So this is how a typical neighborhood looks in Canada when it snows. And as we take you through the neighborhood, you can see that it's quiet. And with the cars, as you can see, they are all covered with snow. But eventually, individual owners will clean the snow and also shovel the snow, as you can see here. There's a big fine if you don't shovel your snow and someone comes and fall, then definitely you will deal with the law. So winter month has come and it's gonna be a very long one. And with the COVID hovering around, hopefully we don't get another lockdown, because then that's gonna be more of staying home most of the time during the winter months. And this is what most people always do, just stay home. But with the COVID where you can be restricted to your homes, then that's gonna add another layer of depression into people's life. But we Canadians, we love the snow. We Canadians, we embrace the snow. And you can see even the beautiful tree have snows on it. So this is a typical neighborhood of Brampton. And you can see all these homes, the roofs are covered with snow. The roads are covered with snow. But as I've said before, within an hour or so, all this place will be cleared. Let's take a look at a park right in front of me. And this park here, you will see parents will bring their kids. And sometimes they could do the toboggan where they put a slide and they can slide from the glass all the way to the bottom of the pit. So this is a typical neighborhood, and these are some houses. And we're just showcasing to you the first snow in Canada in 2021. And definitely, I think it's quite unique. And as you can see, a pedestrian just walking by. But this whole entire neighborhood is being covered. It's gonna be a long year of snow, and sometimes the snow go as much as 20 centimeters, or we have seen an event where it goes for about 30 centimeters. And those are the times where you need to really buckle up, because if you don't, then you can get a snow bite or you can get an ice frost. So we're just gonna be ending the video very soon. We are at the 5 minutes mark, but we're just showing you a typical snow day in Canada. And this is the first snow for 2021. And we are in Brampton presenting Canada to the world. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and definitely you get your chance to enjoy the beautiful snow. And also make sure you take your family out to the Eating Center, Square One, Yorkdale Mall, all these different places, and a lot of different communities have set up some event for the kids to enjoy the snow. Also, don't forget to go to downtown. There's several places where you can also take some time and enjoy the festivities of Christmas, as we can see. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's your boy KB presenting Canada to the world, and this is another segment of Snow in Canada.